Good morning, students. This is your moral science class, and we are going to study chapter 5. And what is the heading? Heading is the oneness of mankind. First of all, you will read after me, and then I will go on explaining. The people of the world do not all look the same. Some are tall, some are short, some are fat, and some are thin. Some are black, some are white, some wear minis, some wear maxis. No two people in the world are the same. Not even the twins. Differences add beauty to the world. Next time you see someone different from you, show kindness and be friendly towards him or her. Means the oneness of mankind tells that no two people are same in the world. And these differences add beauty to the world. Different types of flowers, human beings, animals, insects, butterflies, colorful. This difference adds beauty to the world. Now you will see that what is this story about. This story is Hi Johnny, Bye Johnny. And this Johnny was a boy. Okay? Now we will read about him. Johnny was a young boy. He lived in the city of Colombo. Where was Johnny living? In the city of Colombo. Okay? Johnny was a nice boy, but he had one bad habit. Definitely all the children are good, but they are cultivating some bad habit also. He liked to make fun of people. If someone had curly hair, he would make fun of that. If someone wore glasses, he would make fun of her. If the color of someone's skin was too dark, he would call them blackie and laugh at them. If someone was from another country, he would make fun of them, that too. Actually, what his habit was funny. He was making fun of everyone. And my dear, when we make fun of the people whom we are making fun of, they are not feeling nice. And if we are a good person, we should make comfortable to the person who is toward us. Okay, now this is the description of Johnny. Which type of child was Johnny? Johnny was a nice boy, but he was making fun. All day long he would make fun of people and laugh at them. One day he saw a tall and stout man wearing a funny kind of hat. Johnny began to tease the man's funny hat. "You foolish boy," said the man. "How dare you make fun of my hat?" What this man is telling? "You foolish boy, how dare you make fun of my hat? Don't you know who am I?" "No, I don't," said Johnny, scared. When this funny man asked that, "You foolish boy, you don't know who am I?" Then Johnny got scared, see. Then this man is telling, "I am Alkazu, the great magician. Now I am going to punish you for laughing at me. And from today onwards, everyone will look exactly like you." Saying this, the magician disappeared. Disappeared means vanished, went away. He was seen no more. That is the meaning of disappeared. Now see what is happening. At first Johnny thought the strange looking man was joking. But when he looked around, to his great astonishment, everyone looked exactly like him. He went to the school and found that all his friends looked exactly like him. And worst of all, they were all called Johnny. "Listen here, I am Johnny. Now Johnny is telling to his friend, "Listen here, I am Johnny." And he tried to tell his friends But they all laughed at him, saying, "Of course you are Johnny, we all are Johnny." "No, no, you don't understand. I am the real Johnny." "Oh no, we are all the real Johnny," they said. "All right, let the teacher come. I am sure he will set the things right." Now when all his friends are telling that I am Johnny, he is telling, "Oh, okay." When usually what happens in the class, when the teacher comes, they set everything okay. So he also told that, "Wait, let the teacher come. I am sure he will set things right." Now see, as the teacher entered, Johnny was shocked. Even more, the teacher too looked exactly like him. He tried to explain to the teacher that he was the only true Johnny around. And this made the teacher very angry. What made teacher angry? When Johnny was trying to explain teacher that he was the only true Johnny. So he took him to the principal. The principal also looked like Johnny. Johnny tried to explain the principal that he was the only true Johnny around. This angered the principal, and Johnny was thrown out of the school. When Johnny was trying to explain anyone, this made the principal angry, and Johnny was thrown out of the school. Now see, on the way home he avoided looking at people because they all looked like him. When he reached home, he found that his parents too looked like him. He could not take it anymore, so he put on the TV. There was a football match going on, and the announcer was saying, "And now Johnny has a ball, but Johnny is going to take the ball from Johnny and is passing the ball to Johnny." Means everyone was Johnny. Then he shouted, "Oh no, I cannot take this anymore. God, please stop this nightmare. Please somebody help me." Suddenly Johnny woke up. He realized he had been dreaming. It all. He was overjoyed to see everyone looking different from him. What was happening in the dream? Only he was seeing that everyone was Johnny there, and he shouted, "Oh no!" And that time he woke up, and then he saw that everything is all right, and he was seeing the dream. And when he went to school that day, he had a word of praise for everyone. "Ravi, you look great. Ashok, you look so handsome in that yellow shirt." And everyone was surprised the change in Johnny. And Johnny never told anyone about this dream. Now here are some word meaning for you, my dear. You will learn it and write. For onward means forward. When we say walk forward, look forward, that is onward. Disappeared, vanished. The magician disappeared, or the color disappeared, the rainbow disappeared, means it is no more. Now next is exactly, and exactly means correct. Write the exact roll number. Give the exact admission number, then only you can get the result. This is correct roll number or correct admission number. Astonishment means great surprise. To his astonishment, everyone looked like Johnny. And to my astonishment, everyone's handwriting is very beautiful. All my children are very smart. Worst means bad, very bad. Okay? Now nightmare. Nightmare means illusion. He thought that he is watching a nightmare, means some illusion, some dream type of thing. And avoid, all of you are knowing, in forgiveness chapter you have learnt also, avoid means to ignore, to overlook. Surprise means to wonder. Surprise means, I think you all can understand very nicely, because you all are organizing, giving surprise gift, organizing surprise party. Now here is a quotation, and the quotation is, be worthy of the trust of thy neighbor and look upon him with a bright and friendly face. Means we should be worthy of the trust of our neighbor. We should be so much worthy, so much truthful, or doing the correct thing, that our neighbor should trust upon us and look upon us with a bright and friendly face. Means they should be standing with us in all our need, whether we are in our good times or bad times. Next is, O Son of Man, I know my love for thee, hence I created this. This is the sentence of God. God is telling about human being that, O Son of Man. Here speaker is God. I know my love for thee, hence I created thee. Means God is knowing us. He is loving us. That's why He has created us. So what should we do? We should remember God. We should ask, if we are in need, we are definitely asking help with God. But when we are completing anything, achieving something, we should also say thank you to God. Isn't it? Now thank you children for watching this video.